Hey guys, and this is Ricardo Gardner. Welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. In today's tutorial, guys, I'll show you, as seen on screen here, I'll show you how you can actually scan a QR code or generate a QR code that can be used to allow others to easily follow you on Instagram. You can know this is an Instagram QR code. As towards the center, you do see the Instagram icon. So using this simple icon, you'll be able to either share your Instagram profile easily or of course scan others to follow them. This saves a lot of time as you do not have to look for a profile, as you'll be taken automatically to the profile. Alright guys, so in case you want to share your Instagram profile by QR code, the process is quite simple. You might not be aware that's a new feature. First of all, make sure that your Instagram is updated to the latest version. Go to your App Store or Play Store, update your Instagram to the latest version. Then of course, go ahead and find Instagram and launch. If you're on the home feed, come over to your profile by clicking the profile icon, bottom right, this icon right down here. And once you're on your profile, go ahead and hit the three lines up or right. And then you should see a new option here that you've never seen before. It says QR code. Go ahead and tap QR code. Once you do, you'll be taken right here as seen in the introduction. All right, so if anyone scans this, they'll be taken to your profile to follow you. You could, of course, I'm not sure if it works. It should work with a regular scanner, but of course there's a built-in scanner. So if, for example, I wanted to share with you, I just met you, I can show you this. You can simply scan it. And once you scan it, you'll be automatically follow me. You can even customize it with emojis and so on. But of course, that's optional. You can leave it as is. But of course, there is the scanner that's built in and it's all the way down here. So if somebody else wants me to follow them, they can show me their code and I'll hit scan. And there you go. Once I do that, the back camera will be used. And once it detects it, I'll find their profile and then I'll follow them. All right. So if you want, I could exit again. And this is all you need on Instagram to be easily able to follow someone by knowing their QR. So all you got to do from now on is just save this. You can even post this on social media or anywhere else. You could print this out on a t-shirt, print it out on a piece of paper, whatever. Anybody who finds this will be able to scan it and then they'll be able to follow you. Notice your user handle on Instagram is shown. All right, so it's quite easy. All right, so it's Ricardo Gardner showing you another feature that's built in to your Instagram in case you missed that. It's Ricardo Gardner saying bye until next time. Bye guys.